Hello everyone, welcome to a new session. In this session, we'll be having a general revision on Unit 1 in Algebra. I highly recommend that you study very well first before watching this video and then use the questions that you're going to see in this video as a self-assessment. Let's start. The first type of question we have is to choose the correct answer. If x minus y is equal to 5 and x squared plus xy plus y squared equals to 7, what is x power 3 minus y power 3? We know that the factorization of x power 3 y power 3 is x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. So the factorization of x cubed minus y cubed is 5 times 7, which is 35. Question 2. The result of the expression 8x power 3 minus 27y power 3 divided by 2x minus 3y is what? If you factorize 8x power 3 minus 27y power 3, it will be 2x minus 3y multiplied by 4x squared plus 6y plus 9y squared divided by 2x minus 3y. These two brackets are cancelled together, so the result is 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. Question 3. If x power 3 plus 27, we factorize it this way, how can we find k? K is the product of the first term times the second term. So k is 3x, as the first term is x and the second term is 3. Question 3. If x power 3 plus 27 equals x plus 3 multiplied by x squared plus k minus 9, then what is the value of k? We know that this term we get it as opposite sign of this bracket, so it's minus, and then the x times 3, which is negative 3x. Question 4. This expression is equal to what? We can easily see that this expression equals the first term power 3 minus the second term power 3. So the answer here is x power 3 minus 8y to the power of 3. If 64a squared minus 32a plus k is a perfect square, then what is the value of k? We know that to get the third term, which is k, equals the second term all squared divided by 4 times the first term as it is. If you do your calculations, you will see that it's 1024a squared divided by 256a squared, then the result is 4. So the value of k in this question is 4. Question 6. A natural number, if we divide it by each of the numbers 2, 3, and 4, the remainder will be 1. But if we divide it by 5, the remainder is 0. Then this number is what? I want a number as long as when divided by 5, the remainder is 0, so this number must be divisible by 5. So this makes choice A is incorrect. And then, if we divide 15 by 3, it will not give you a remainder 1. So it's not 15. If we check the 25, if we divide the 25 by 2, it has a remainder of 1. If we divide the 25 by 3, it has a remainder of 1. If we divide the 25 by 4, it has a remainder of 1. And when divided by 5, the remainder is 0. So question 6, the right answer is 25. Let's now go to another type of question, which is complete each of the following. For question 1, how can I get this term? It's negative 3 multiplied by what equals negative 15? Yes, excellent, it's 5. And then we do the normal distribution. So 3x times 2x, this is 6x squared. Then 5x, then 5 times 2x is 10x. And 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. So it is 1x, which is x. Question 2. 2a multiplied by what equals 2a squared? Yes, it's a. While 3b multiplied by what gives you 3b squared? Yes, it is b. To find the middle term, we multiply 2a times 3b, this is 6ab, and here the b times a, this is ab. When you add them together, this is 7ab. Question 3, how to factorize this? This is 2a in here, and then this one will be 2ab plus b squared. Question 5, this number is 30. It came from 2 times 5a times what number gives you 30a? So this is 10a times something equals 30a. Then this number is 3. To expand this, here is 25a squared minus 30a plus 9. Question 5. The set of values of which make the expression x squared plus ax minus 15 can be factored. For sure, if you get the factors of 15, you will see them as 1 times 15, 3 times 5. In order for this to be plus, so they are either 15 minus 1, which is 14, or 5 minus 3, which is 2. Next question. If x minus 3 of one of the two factors of x squared plus 2x minus 15, what is the other factor? So the other factor will be x plus 5. If negative 3 is one root of the two roots of the equation x squared plus 3x equals 0, then what is the other root? If you factorize this, it will be x plus 3 equals 0. So it's either x equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0, which is x minus 3. The two roots are 0 and negative 3. If negative 3 is one of them, then the other one is 0. Exercise number 3 is to complete each of the following. We know that the factorization of x power 3 plus y power 3 is x plus y multiplied by x squared minus xy plus y squared. If x plus y is given as 3 and this expression is given as 5, then the result will be 15. Question 2. A minus b equals 7 and a plus b equals 5. Then what is this? Let's factorize first. It's 2 open bracket a squared minus b squared. So it is 2, and then we can factorize it as a plus b times a minus b. If you substitute the values given to us, so it's 2 times 5 times 7, then the answer is 70. For question 3, a squared minus b squared can be factorized as a plus b times a minus b, which is in this case equals 45. If a minus b is 5 and the result is 45, so I can easily say that a plus b equals 9. The question here wants you to find the square root of a plus b, which is the square root of 9, which is 3.